They said the chapter ended, that the story had been told, that time had closed the curtain and the fire had grown cold. But he kept his eyes ahead through every rise and fall, walking through the criticism, refusing to stand small. The headlines wrote conclusions, the voices filled the air, yet he faced the storm unshaken with determination. There, against the tide of doubters, he continued on his way, believing that tomorrow could rewrite another day. Against all odds, he overcame. Through every trial, through every flame, they said impossible, but history saw how faith in the journey outweighed every flaw. 45th and 47th, the story remains. Against all odds, he rose again.